Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and I'm here with another how to create upcycle puppets. I'm gonna make the fastest bear puppet ever. Let's go, here we go. Right like that. Get in here with a pair of pliers here, and snap that. Pull the mechanism out. Come on, we can do it. This is a fast one. Ah, there we go. Here we go, just like that. Ready? Just like that. Get rid of that. And there it is. Dun, 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 dun. The fastest bear puppet ever. I did it. Thanks guys for coming along. This is the DIY Magician. For those of you who've been here before, thank you very much for coming back. For those of you who have not been here before, please feel free to subscribe and you get all the updates. And there he is, the fastest bear puppet in the world. All right, this is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye.